Welcome back, guys. Now in today's video we are going to be talking about design with the strip method. Now one thing about ETABS is if you use membrane to model your slab, ETABS is not going to design it for you. It means you have to design it manually yourself. So let's start with the strip. Now we're going to draw a strip, so you can come here, draw strip. Just look for how to draw strip. So design strip. Now the reason why it is grayed out is because we've analyzed it, so we need to unlock it. So select this and unlock it. Okay, so go to draw and go to draw design strip. So we have two types. We have strip layer. This is layer A and this is layer B. So in the X direction it is layer A, Y direction layer B. So for example, now I want to design this panel here. So I'll go to layer A and choose the type I want. Now since I want it to be in the middle, I'll choose middle strip, and put the width of the middle strip, whichever one. But what I will do now is I'll just select here and make sure it's straight at 90 degrees. So that's green, and select it. Okay, that's for middle strip. Then I'm also going to do layer B middle strip. Okay, so I will do one layer B middle strip. Okay, so I'll do for column strip here, this support. So that is layer B, select it, column strip. Okay, so select these points and click almost to the end. But this is where it stops. And then this is where it stops, so I don't need to go to the end. So I'll select this and escape. Then also column strip layer A. I can use this one as example. Okay, so once you are done with that, right click on it and set some parameters. Once you right click on it, you can see the geometry. It has given you the minimum width, which we are not going to use. So I want to use auto width strip. But before this, let me show you something else. Come to this, Control and W, go to object assignments, and let's look for other assignments, and let's look for strip. So you can see it, design strip. So I want to show the width. To apply, click OK. So you can see it now, the middle strip, this point. But I want ETABS to define it for me, the width of my strip from here to here and from here to here. So I'll right click on it, go to geometry and choose auto within strip. So auto within strip, click OK. So it will do it for you. Click OK. So you can see it has automatically done the middle strip. And this one, let's see it for again. I'll select this strip. Okay, I need to select it outside here. Select it, geometry, select this and auto within strip, click OK. So you can see the way it is. It has done it for you around here. Okay, so I'll do the same thing for others and select this, right click, geometry, auto within strip. Okay, so you can see something like this. This is because this is very shapeless. So this is one disadvantage of using strip to design. So from there we'll run the analysis and we'll design. Okay, so we've done the analysis, then we'll go to slab. We'll do the same things we want again. Then we'll run this concrete slab design, select it and click OK. Here now we have display flexural design strip based. So select your strip base and just choose none. So impose minimum reinforcing is always good to show. So for this now we want to show both top and bottom reinforcement, so we click apply and click OK. So we can see it now because we are in this where we are. So it has given you this is the area of steel required for that particular width. So come back here again, display flexural design. So we are showing layer A and let's show only bottom bars. So select it and click apply. So you can see the bottom bars only. Now it's showing us just total, the display type, choose total rebar area for strip. So select this, click apply. So you can see this and show number of bar size. So what bar size do I want? I want 12 mm and click it, click apply. So it's telling me for this I need 17 pieces of 12 mm and 4 pieces of 12 mm according to the strip width we drew that time. So I hope you are getting it. So also same thing for layer B. Okay, let's do it, apply. You can see it, do the same thing. Then do the same thing for the top also in layer A. Okay, so apply. Okay, sorry, layer A, apply. So this is what we need for the top. You can see it there. Okay, so you can look at it and we are good to go. So this is what strip is all about. You can check it, different things you want. So this is what strip is all about. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section.